Hello and welcome back to Lily Kids Prioritized channel. Today we are going to learn about letter C, soft C sound and hard C sound, letter G, soft G and hard G sound. Let's begin. If C follow E, I and Y, letter C will have sound, that is letter S sound. As like in the word scent, city, cycle. Whereas like if letter C follow A, O and U, letter C will have k sound. As like in the word cat, pot, cup. Moving on to the next on letter G. If letter G follow E, I and Y, letter G will have j sound. As like in the word gem, giant, gym. Whereas like if letter G follow A, O and U, letter G will have g sound. As like in the word gap, got, gum. Thank you.